So last week, I released my unboxing video of Black Wolf Nation's skincare kit. And since then, I have used it exclusively for my face and body wash needs. So how did Black Wolf Nation's skincare kit do after 1 week of use? Stay tuned and find out. So hello YouTube, if this is the first time we're meeting, I'm Mike and this is Bald and Strong, where being bald is a lifestyle and I want to help you make the most of it. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe icon and the bell icon so that way you won't miss any of my future content. So me personally, I have rather oily skin, especially on my head. Now you may have dry skin, you may have oily skin like me, or you could be one of those lucky people that are like right down the middle. No matter which category you fall into, these skincare products that Black Wolf Nation offer will have something for you. Now I want to be clear that what I'm reviewing today is not the only type of kit and products that they offer. For a full list of that, I'm going to link their website down below and you can go check it out yourself. So as I've said before, I have used both their face and body wash exclusively for a week. And I'm pleased to say that they did not disappoint. So I noticed my skin not as oily as usual. Felt very cleaned, yet hydrated, and also that's a huge compliment to the fact that they use active charcoal as their main ingredient. The smell was very pleasant. And if you've ever watched any of my videos, I always talk about smells and aromas because it's important to me. Why, you might ask? Who wants to smell bad? Now, if you watched my video last week on the unboxing, I noticed that there was a difference in smell, slight difference in smell. And I'm pleased to say that using them together, especially with washing and doing it regularly, these smells actually do complement each other. I myself suffer from acne issues and these products are a great help in the fight that battle. Compared to other soaps that I've used in the past, this is quite different. And that's for a couple of reasons. First off, I typically like to use bar soap. I've used bar soap for a long time for one key reason is I feel like I don't overuse or waste too much soap using bar soap. And this skincare kit that I got from Black Wolf Nation, it's liquid soap. So if you're a big bar soap user like me, this will be a little different. So this stuff is liquid, not gel. So no need to squeeze the container too hard. This stuff will come out very easily and you don't want to waste this quality product. So Black Wolf Nation, I think it would be cool to see a bar soap option. Just saying. Now, I don't think I need to get into too much detail on how to use this stuff, but here it goes. Wet skin, build a lather, wash, rinse, dry, done. Hopefully I didn't lose anybody. Now, the only real difference between the face and the body wash is Black Wolf recommends you use a quarter-sized droplet twice a day for their face wash. So I really enjoy being introduced to great new products from amazing new companies, especially companies that are privately owned. And now Black Wolf Nation, I can see that these could be your best sellers and you've done an amazing job making a great product. Overall, I give Black Wolf Nation 2 very enthusiastic bald thumbs up. So let me know down in the comments if you've ever used Black Wolf Nation skincare kit before or if you're going to try using it now. Thanks so much everyone, and until the next time.